Hello learners. Welcome to a new exciting video of this new TypeScript playlist. In this video, we will go through the concept of interfaces in TypeScript and understand interfaces in details. If you are watching this video, make sure to watch this video from playlist. Do subscribe this channel, like this video and share with your friends. Do access this playlist from the link in the description. I create videos mostly on web development and prompt engineering. Let's start the video. An interface in TypeScript is used to define the shape of an object. It tells TypeScript what properties and methods an object should have. Let's understand through example what do we mean by this. In this example, we have created an interface square with properties like side and color. This means any object of type square must have side and color property. Interfaces are generally used as an alternative of type alias, which we have already covered in our previous videos. Followed by defining interface, we have created an object mySquare of type square which has side length as 12 and color as red. While we are using interfaces, we can also apply the concept of inheritance in it using the extend keyword. As explained, we have created a new child interface, square area, which inherits the property of its parent interface, square. Now, in order to use the area property, we need to create an object of type square area. Let's see one more example of interface to understand it more accurately. This time we will create an interface person where a person must have its properties like name, age and a method greet. Followed by which, we are creating an object me of interface type person and defining its properties and methods. Our code runs correctly. Now let's apply the inheritance concept to our interface. our code is running fine. In this video, you have seen that how we could use interface in place of type alias effectively. This was all in this video. Hope I was able to explain the topic clearly. If so, like this video, share with your friends and do not forget to subscribe this channel. Also comment your suggestion how we can improve. As this channel is new and needs your support. Join our Discord server. See you very soon in the next video. Bye.